What's up, YouTube? This your boy Brandon. I'm back at you with another video. Make sure y'all comment, subscribe, click that like button. I'm getting back at everybody who leave me comments. So I'm back at you with another video. I got the Bulldog 12 gauge shotgun. We finna review that and see what y'all think about it. Let me grab it. This what I want to bring to the range tomorrow. So man, look at that thing right there, man. I had to get it. I got the sight on there. You know what I'm saying? I got the buckshots in there right now. But man, this is my baby, bro. Got the pop-up sights. You know what I'm saying? Look at that thing right there, man. Look at that. Yeah, man. Got the pop-up sights on there. Got the scope on there. I'm gonna bring it to the range tomorrow. Let y'all see that. So make sure y'all click that like, leave me comments, and tell me what you think. The gun not loaded, so it's not loaded. Also, I got the safety button on there, but I got the buckshots for home defense. You know what I'm saying? But man, if you can see this scope, bro, look at that. Look how that thing sit, man. I like the clip in it, the mag in it, so you can actually see the gun. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at this, man. Look at this thing right here. Look at this. It's my home defense. I wish y'all could see this. Let me see if y'all can see it. Let me make sure. Man. Man, if you can see this, bro. Can y'all see that? Can you see that? Man, this is my home defense, bro. This is my baby. Haven't shot it yet, so I'm bringing this to the range, man. Um, see what y'all think about it. Well, yeah, this how I look. $12 gauge Bulldog. I'll bring it to the range tomorrow, and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, click that like button, click the bell. I'm dropping more banging videos. This is a little short video, so make sure y'all click that button, and I'm out of here.